good. I just need to drop the anchor.
What? Why? Haven't you heard the story about Old Tom? Move over. The Old Tom knew the ropes. Not once he went out to sea, not once he came back. It was a dark, rainy night. Wind blew wildly. Old Tom anchored the ship and went to a tavern. He woke up from a slap in his face. "Where's my ship, you old fool?" "It's there, where I left it." But it wasn't there. That foggy morning, Old Tom lost his wind. His mind gone with the ship. So Old Tom went after him. No one saw him again. Some said the old man went to the edge of the world where the dragons are. Some believed that he became a seagull.
Nice story.
Holy mackerel!
And I can use alpha, as if 'tis the Flying Dutchman.
Sea devil!
I can even drop anchor in the move. The course of the ship will stay the same.
Steady as she goes.
Have you seen my ship?